Right, I'm gonna screw the valve on finally. There's always a parrot in the way, isn't there? Oh, and it's red hot in there. What I'm going to do this time is, last time I did it, I put it on with PTFE paste, but this time I'm just going to use tape, because that's what I've done for all the others, and I don't know. So now, look, screws right on. That's way better than it was. Right, here we go. Right, today I'm just going to try moving this. I'm just going to move this one out, and I'm going to try the new trailer. I'm just not quite sure if it'll fit with these concrete blocks still in. Hopefully it will, and then I've got a bobcat, so I'm going to lift this onto the new trailer and hopefully get it in. I've also taken the back off the trailer, not the back, the loading things, loading skids, whatever you call them, which are now there.